Welcome to this inviting and effortlessly comfortable residence, a move-in ready home boasting 3 bedrooms. Kitchen showcases elegant oak cabinets, convenient gas range, and modern stainless steel appliances. Its open floor plan seamlessly connects to the dining room, which features a vaulted ceiling and stunning hardwood floors. Living room is a delightful space with beamed vaulted ceiling that adds a touch of architectural charm. Main bedroom offers ample storage space with its generously sized closet. Descending to the finished basement, you'll discover a well-appointed family room complete with a built-in bar, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying quality time with family. This home is nestled on a dead-end street, providing a tranquil setting for residents. Located minutes from Route 195, Route 24, Route 6, South Watuppa Pond, schools and so much more. Call today to move in for summer.